What's up everybody, this is KG. Today I'm going to be reviewing two modern swim shorts that replace the traditional mesh liner with a more of a boxer brief type liner inside of it. There are two different brands. One I bought off of Amazon, it's called SURF CUZ, and the other one is a Canadian brand called Manmade. The Manmade one is called the swim short, and the SURF CUZ one is a 9-inch swim short with a liner and zipper pockets and a whole bunch of other features, which I'll open it up and show you the difference between both of them. And then you can make a decision for yourself which one's best for your needs. So I'm going to start first with the SURF CUZ one and open it up. Comes packaged quite nicely. And this is what it looks like. I purchased it in the urban gray camo pattern. It does come in different types of patterns and designs, but this is the one I chose. This is the tag that came in it. So this is a large size pair of the shorts, and even the Manmade was large size. Now I'll give you the full look front to back. This is what it looks like on the back side. So it's the same pattern all the way around. And because it's camo style, it might be hard to see, but this is the back side. There's a pocket over here. So there is a Velcro kind of pocket. You can open up in the back, and you got that in there. And that will close up. And then you got the side profile over here. This is like a hidden zipper type pocket. So both right and left hand side have a hidden zipper pocket, and it's kind of a spandexy, flexy material on the inside of the pocket. So it's nice. It's a hidden pocket. Things won't fall out, and seems good quality actually. So if you look at it from close up, it's like a very, very hidden type of zipper. It's not very prominent. So when you close it up here, you can barely even notice it. So you don't notice the zipper here, and you don't really notice it there too. This is the opposite side. You got to open it back up, and you can see it's like a dark black type of zipper, and good for the water, I believe. And it works quite well too. It's very smooth zipper. So that's quite nice as well. And then you have your waistband line, which is nice and stretchy. And of course you have your laces here with the nice round rope. Good quality, very nice. Now if I pull out the inside liner, you can see here it is nice material, very stretchy, and it's kind of like a boxer brief style. You see it has a long leg on here, has a long leg on here. Very nice boxer brief type material, has a bit of stretch to it, feels quite nice. So another cool hidden feature in here with this particular pair, on the right leg, on the inseam part, on the inside inner liner, there's actually another hidden pocket there. So let's see if I can find it. And if I pull it out here, you can see this is for your phone. So there's like a phone pocket. I'm gonna try it on afterwards and test all this stuff out. So you'll see it again at that time. But you can see there's a little pocket here for your phone. So the material for these shorts are 92% polyester and 8% spandex. And it's a 4-way stretch material, so you get flexibility in all directions. And now we'll open up the Manmade shorts here. They call it the swim short. Very simple name with their logo over here. And if you look on the back side, here's their little tag here of what they sent to me. Again, large size. And let's open it up. Quite nice packaging actually. I like this little intro logo thing. And here you go. This one's a little bit different. So this is a 7-inch length, not a 9-inch length. So you will see it's a shorter looking pair of swim trunks. And the other one, actually, they sell it in 7-inch length as well. So I bought the 9-inch, but if you wanted a similar length to the Manmade, the other SURF CUZ brand does sell 7-inch length shorts. But this one only has one size, so this is the only size that comes in Manmade. Now if you look at the back side, it's pretty plain. This is just a blue color. It comes in blue and black. I purchased blue. Now this waistline is quite stiff actually. It doesn't have as much elasticity as the other shorts, but it has some. It has a little bit of elasticity, but it's a lot stiffer if you ask me. They also have laces, but these laces are skinnier looking, and they have like a rubber coating on the end. There's like a rubber type coating, so they feel different. It's like a polyester versus a cloth feeling, I guess. So it feels a little bit different, but here you go. These are what's in there for the materials. Now on the back side, you have a pocket over here, and this is a zippered pocket. So you do have a pocket to keep things from falling out. Looks like this. And that's your only zippered pocket, I believe. And I'll show you the zipper on it. This is what the zipper looks like. Similar to the other shorts there, same style more or less. And then you can close it up. And then regular pockets on the side. And they feel quite nice. Quite premium feeling pockets. Very nice. And actually they have their logo hidden here right on the back left hand side. So they have a little man-made logo that you can see right around here. And it's a very simple looking pair of shorts. There's a little tag on the inside, gives you the size of the pants. And if I pull out the liner, this is what it looks like. They have a little sack pouch area here. This is what Man-Made brand kind of sells as one of their selling points, is the man sack area. So it gives you some additional protection around there versus regular underwear. So one thing to keep in mind about them. Now this is supposed to be made with the moisture wicking quick drying material and with the anti-chafe type liner, which was the man sack in there. And of course it's a boxer brief type of style. And these shorts are also made with the 4-way stretch material similar to the other shorts. The other thing that they advertise about these shorts is that it's made for swimming, for lounging, and for everyday use. So you could use it as regular shorts just to walk around daily as well. So it has multi-use for it. As you can see, it's a very simple design, so it can be used in multiple situations and circumstances. Now the shell is 91% recycled polyester and 9% spandex. And the inner lining is 89% polyester and 11% spandex. So that is your material breakdown for these pair of shorts. So now you can see what these shorts look like side by side. I'm gonna put them both on and try them out so you can see in detail how it works and help you figure out which one's best for your particular purpose. Okay, so I've got my SURF CUZ on. You can see it goes down almost to the knees and it looks good. I have my round lace here. I don't really need to even tighten it. The elastic is nicely around. And let me give you the full profile. This is what it looks like all the way around on my body. I have the zippers open. My hands are going in the pockets. They feel nice. They feel comfortable. And of course I can zip them up when I'm done and make sure everything is secure and safe in my pockets. And then I got my back pocket here with the Velcro. And I can put things in there if I need to. And it feels good. It feels nice, smooth material. And then of course the inner boxer liner underneath, you can see it over here on this side and on this side. So you can see them. This is where your phone pocket will go. So let me put something in there so you can see it in action. So here's a phone of mine. Let's put it into this and slide it in. And it's fit right in, right nicely like this. And put the pants over top, pull these down. It feels good too. It doesn't even feel heavy or anything. I don't feel any discomfort with the phone in that little hidden compartment. So this is quite good. It's quite a useful compartment. I also have a wallet and keys. I can open up my zipper pocket here, put my keys on this side, open up the zipper compartment on the other side, and put my wallet on this side and zip them all up. So you got this zipped, and I haven't even used the back pocket yet. So everything is comfortably fit in here. Nobody can even pickpocket me or anything. It's really good. Like from a safety perspective, it's amazing. No one's gonna be able to steal my phone from over here. It's gonna be a tough task, or will people even know? It doesn't even show or anything. Can't even tell. So look at that. So the features in this thing are amazing. I think it's like my favorite pair of swim shorts that I'm gonna have most likely, but this is great. So these are the functions. Like I said, they come in different styles and looks. And this is my first pair, and now I'm gonna try on the Man-Made to compare and contrast. Okay, so I got my Man-Made shorts on now. And you can see it looks nice. It's definitely a little bit higher up, so not as close to my knees. This is about 7 inches, so you can see the design is a little bit different, right? So you can see a little bit more leg on here. But complete turnaround, this is what it looks like all the way through. And it has the laces, the thin laces with the rubber tips. Again, a little bit different design. The feel of the material, it feels a little bit thicker than the other one. It feels a little bit more cloth-like. That other one feels more polyester-like. Even though this is polyester, it does have a little bit of a more premium kind of feel to it. I will say that. And the pockets are good, stretchy. These ones have no zippers, of course. And they have the back pocket that does have a zipper in it. So if I need to open it, I can use that side, open this zipper pocket, put stuff in here. So let's just give it a quick try. So for my back pocket, I'll put my wallet in there. Put it in the back pocket, zip it up. Okay, so that's done. And then phone and keys in each other pocket. Put it in here, put it in here, and they fit fine and they feel good. So everything fits fine. You can carry a fair amount of stuff in here comfortably. Again, these pockets are not zipped like the other ones, so it's not as protected, but at the same time, they're still good pockets. Now the inner liner fabric, you can see here, this one comes down. It's nice, feels premium quality. This one doesn't have any pockets like the other one to carry your phone with, but it does feel nice. It does feel a little bit more premium. They're both breathable, they're both nice. They do have little holes throughout them to allow breathing. And this one has that little man sack in there. So as soon as I put it on, I could feel the difference. So you have like a different kind of protection around that area or a covering. So it makes it more comfortable and more premium feeling, right? So it does feel a little bit different. So this is a very plain look. Like I said, it only comes in blue and black. So you don't have much choice beyond that. But if you're looking for like a professional look and a casual look, this one you can wear outside. You can go to a restaurant with this, you can go to the beach, and you can use it for swimming. So it's quite versatile. I mean, the other one you could do that too, but it looks more sporty, I would say, than this one. This one looks more like a formal type of shorts. But it's definitely a nice feel, it's decent. The waistline on here, it's a little bit, I would say, tighter. It's not bad though, it's, you know, it needs maybe a little working in and it will be a little bit more flexible, but it's a good quality waistband. It's good. And that's the look and the feel. And you can see the difference in the two. Oh yeah, and once again on the left hand side, you can see the little Man-Made logo here. So that's their little advertisement of their product. Left hand side pocket. So these are your Man-Made the swim short. Okay, so now you've seen both shorts demonstrated. You can see here side by side, this one's a little bit longer, the Surf Cruise one, and this one's a little bit shorter. The features on this one has zippered side pockets. It has like the hidden pocket in the leg. It has a back pocket with Velcro. This one has open side pockets and a zippered back pocket. So accessory wise, that's the difference. And material wise, they're both polyester and spandex mix. And this one's a little bit more premium feel, I would say. This one's a little bit less, but it's still a good quality. And we got to look at another item between the two. The price, this one's about $87. This one I think is about $38. This is less than half the price of the Man-Made brand. So when you're looking at the features that are given in here, you're getting amazing bang for your buck compared to the Man-Made shorts. So this is of course a Canadian company, so if you want to be supporting a Canadian company, you purchase this one for that reason. And then you got to say to yourself, is it worth it to pay that much more for the difference over here? So this one has a little bit of a more premium feel, but is it worth more than double the price than a pair of shorts like this? You also have the look. This is more professional looking. This is more of a casual look. And I think on a vacation, either or could fly depending on the circumstance you're looking for. And I think the Man-Made is more like an everyday look, so you can use this in a lot more places in a more professional looking place. This one, they can only get away with it in certain circumstances. So this one probably almost anywhere. This one, casual places only. So there's a lot to think about when you're comparing the two and wanting to purchase the two. In terms of the inner liner, both of them give you like a boxer brief type solution so that you could wear it as an everyday wear as well as swim shorts. But I would say the Surf Cruise is just like a regular boxer brief, and this does have that premium ball protecting, bulgy kind of thing in there, and it does actually feel better when you're wearing it. It protects you quite well and it feels good. And Man-Made brings that inner liner here over from their boxer brief lineup and into these shorts as well, so they're carrying it over. But there is a difference that this material is polyester and spandex, and the regular boxer briefs have a material called modal, which is not in here because that would probably take longer to dry. So this is more for swimwear. They have changed the material a little bit, but it does give you that BSTL protection that they talk about, balls sticking to leg. So this is a BSTL protective swim short compared to this one. So it has a different feel. You definitely can feel the difference. Is it worth that much more? I don't know. You're gonna have to figure that out for yourself. Either way, for me, I'm using both on my vacations from here on out. They're both quite good. I don't know if there is a clear winner per se, but I guess in a price perspective, the Surf Cuz wins. If you're willing to spend some more money, you have a secondary option over here. So have your choice, let me know. Actually, put it in the comments below. What would you choose? Would you choose the Surf Cuz or would you choose the Man-Made brand? Let me know. Anyways, this is my review on the Surf Cuz and the Man-Made swim shorts. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave them below in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so, and remember to hit the bell button so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.